السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من كورس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية كما يتعلمها طلاب المعاهد. في هذه الحلقة سوف نتكلم عن البيرسونال انفورميشن، المعلومات الشخصية. سوف نتكلم عن أهم الكلمات عن البيرسونال انفورميشن، كيف نبني عليها الأسئلة، كيف نجيب هذه الأسئلة، ونشرح البوسيسيف adjectives وأيش علاقتها بالبيرسونال انفورميشن، و how to introduce yourself، كيف تقدم نفسك للآخرين. أهم الكلمات في اللغة الإنجليزية عن البيرسونال انفورميشن وهي كالآتي: first name, last name, country, area code, zip code, telephone number, job. First name like Najm, last name Al-Hajj, country Yemen, area code 967, zip code 01, telephone number 77178321, job teacher. الآن سوف نضع هذه الكلمات في أسئلة ثم نجيب عليها. Number 1. What's your first name? My first name is Najm. What's your first name? My first name is Najm. What's your last name? My last name is Al-Hajj. What's your last name? My last name is Al-Hajj. Where are you from? I'm from Yemen. Where are you from? I'm from Yemen. What's your zip code? My zip code is 01. What's your zip code? My zip code is 01. What's your area code? My area code is 967. What's your area code? My area code 967. What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 77178321. What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 77178321. What do you do? I am a teacher. What's your job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. What's your job? I am a teacher. The same. What's your job? Or what do you do? نفس السؤال لكي تسأل عن الوظيفة. What's your job? Or what do you do? The same answer. I am a teacher. ضمائر الفاعل subject pronouns and possessive adjectives ضمائر الملكية. subject pronouns ضمائر الفاعل وهي 7 وهي كالآتي: I ضمير المتكلم يعني أنا I, he, she, it, they, you, we. he, she, it للمفرد singular and they, we, you للجمع plural. possessive adjectives ضمائر الملكية وهي كالآتي: my, his, her, its, their, your, our. مقارنة بين subject pronouns والpossessive adjectives. subject pronouns I, possessive adjectives my, he, his, she, her, it, its, they, their, you, your, we, our. سوف نسأل سؤال واحد ونستخدم فيه كل الضمائر الملكية. مثلا What's my name؟ يعني أنا أقول لكم ما اسمي، أنتم سوف تجيبون Your name is Najm. What's my name? Your name is Najm. Okay. What's your name؟ أنا أسألك الآن What's your name؟ ما اسمك؟ تقول My name is Ali. What's your name? My name is Ali. What's his name? What's his name? His name is Ahmed. What's his name? His name is Ahmed. Okay. What's her name? What's her name? Her name is Sue. What's her name? Her name is Sue. What's its name? What's its name? Its name is Chubby. What's its name? Its name is Chubby. What are their names? What are their names? Their names are Ahmed and Ali. What are their names? Their names are Ahmed and Ali. What are our names? What are our names? Our names are نجم, أحمد and Ali. كيف تقدم نفسك باللغة الإنجليزية? How to introduce yourself in English. بكل بساطة هي إجابة الأسئلة السابقة وهي كالآتي. سوف أتحدث عن نفسي. My first name is نجم. My last name is الحاج. I am from Yemen. My area code is 967. My zip code is 01. My telephone number is 77178321. I am a teacher. ننتقل الآن إلى إجابة الأسئلة. هذه الأسئلة معنا صورة ومعنا personal information تبع هذه الصورة، ولدينا بعض الأسئلة سوف نجيب عليها من الصورة. Let's answer these questions together. Let's go. الصورة picture and personal information. معلومات شخصية عن الصورة. نجم الحاج يمن 9670177178321. Teacher. What's his first name? His first name is Najm. What's his last name? His last name is Al-Hajj. Where is he from? He's from Yemen. What's his area code? His area code is 967. What's his zip code? His zip code is 01. What's his telephone number? His telephone number 77178321. What's his job? His job is teacher. صورة رقم 2. Picture 2. Personal information. Kate Jones, New York 213-94558 5559847. The actor. الآن سوف نسأل على هذه المعلومات الشخصية. What's her first name? Her first name is Kate. What's her last name? Her last name is Jones. Where is she from? She's from New York City. What's her area code? Her area code is 213. What's her zip code? Her zip code is 94558. What's her telephone number? Her telephone number is 5559847. What's her job? Her job is a doctor. صورة رقم 3. Picture 3 and personal information. Sue, Alfred, Yashimi, Hong Kong 213-55783. Housewife, manager 5559301 5558221. الآن سوف نسأل على هذه الصورتين. أولا, what's her first name? Her first name is Sue. What's his first name? His first name is Alfred. What's their last name? Their last name is Yashimi. Where are they from? They are from Hong Kong. What's their area code? Their area code is 213. What's their zip code? Their zip code is 55783. What are their jobs? Sue is a housewife, but Alfred is a manager. What are their telephone numbers? Sue's telephone number is 5559301. Alfred's telephone number is 5558221. Teacher. Excuse me. What's your name? My name is Najm. What's yours? John. You speak very well. Thank you. Do you know what time it is? Sure. It's 5:10. What did you say? I said it's 5:10. Thanks. You're welcome. أتمنى أن هذا الفيديو نال إعجابكم. إذا كنت جديد على هذه القناة لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس لكي يصلك كل جديد. شكرا.